back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you how to build this Lego Riding Land Mover, which is made for Lego minifigures. This is my minifigure. I lost his hair, so I kept one cap piece for his hair. So let's see how to build this Lego Riding Land Mover. These are the pieces you will need for the step 1. So first we will take our 2x3 plate, and next we can take a 1x2 plate with a 1x2 plate attached with it like this, and next you can attach it over here. And now take a 2x2 plate with axles, attach it over here at the bottom. Now you can take 2 wheels like this, attach one over here and the other one over here like this. Now you can take a 1x2 plate hinge piece and attach it over here. Now take a 1x2 tile piece, attach it over here. Now you can take a 1x2 plate and attach it over here. Now take a extended flat curved slope piece, attach it over here. Now the other one over here. And here is the first step with the wheels. Now you can keep it aside. Now these are the pieces that you will need for the steering wheels with the doors and the seat. So first we will take the 2x4 plate, and now take a 1x4 plate and attach another 2x4 plate at the top, and the 2x4 plate goes in the bottom. Now you can attach another 1x4 plate over here, touching to the 2x4 plate. Now take 2 of these type of seat pieces, 1x2 seat pieces, and you can attach one over here and the other one over here in the other side. Now take 2 1x1 bricks, attach one over here and the other one over here. Now you can attach a steering wheel piece like this over here in the middle of the 1x1 bricks like this, and you got the seat. Now your minifigure can sit over here like that, but now we are building, so I'm not going to keep my minifigure. So now let's build the back part. So these are the pieces you will need for the back part. So first take your 1x4 plate with axles and attach your wheels over here and here. Now you can take a 1x2 plate red light piece and take your 2x4 brick, attach the 2x4 brick at the top, or I should say the 1x2 plate at the bottom. Now you can attach the wheels over there. Now you have to attach your 2x4 plate over here at the top of the 2x4 plate. Now take a 1x2 brick with a slope, attach it over here. Now you can take a cheese veggie piece, attach it at the top of this 1x2 brick with a slope, and you're done with this. Now you have to take all of the things that we made and also a 2x8 plate, and first you will take this one that we made at the first and attach it over here at the front. Now you can take your steering wheel doors and the seat, attach it over here. Now the last one that we made just now, no, I think I did it wrong. These wheels will go, the light piece will go over here and the wheels will go over here, and this can go, and this can go over here, just like that. And you got your Lego Riding Land Mover and you can attach your minifigure over here, and the hand goes front, and there you go, your Lego Riding Land mover. So guys, if you liked the video, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. Bye guys.